Let's face it, bank account limits can be confusing, especially with new fintech platforms like Lili. You know it's great for freelancers and solopreneurs, but when it comes to withdrawing cash, what's the deal? In this video, we're going to answer that burning question: how much can you really withdraw from your Lili account? We'll break down the different withdrawal methods, daily limits, and any sneaky fees you might encounter. So, whether you're a Lili pro or just starting out, this video will equip you to confidently manage your cash flow. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, a quick heads up. Lili itself isn't technically a bank, but a fintech company that partners with traditional banks to offer their services. This means some things might be different from your regular bank account. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get down to business. There are three main ways to withdraw money from your Lili account. ATM withdrawals are the classic method. Good news! Lili offers fee-free access to a massive network of over 32,000 MoneyPass ATMs. That's a lot of convenient cash access. But here's the catch: there's a daily withdrawal limit of $1,000. So, if you need a bigger haul, you might have to make multiple trips. Also, keep in mind there's a limit of 3 ATM withdrawals per day. ACH transfers: this is where you electronically transfer funds from your Lili account to another bank account. Great for paying bills or moving money around. The good news? There's no daily limit on ACH transfers out of your Lili account. Transfer away. Debit card purchases: let's face it, who carries cash anymore? Lili's got your back with their handy Visa debit card. You can use it for purchases anywhere Visa is accepted, and there's no monthly spending limit. That said, there is a daily spending limit of $10,000. For most of us, that's probably not a concern, but high rollers take note. Now, what about those pesky fees? Lili prides itself on being mostly fee-free, which is a huge perk for freelancers watching their pennies. However, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. Out-of-network ATMs: forgot your debit card on a shopping spree and need to hit a random ATM? Be prepared for a $2.50 fee for using an out-of-network ATM in the US. International ATM fees jump to a whopping $5. So, plan accordingly. Large ACH transfers: while there's no daily limit on ACH transfers out, if you're moving a significant amount of money, we're talking $3,000 or more in a day, Lili might require two-factor authentication for security purposes. A minor inconvenience, but worth knowing. Alright, so that's the breakdown. Remember, these limits apply to your Lili checking account. If you have a Lili Pro plan with an attached savings account, there might be different withdrawal rules for those funds. Always check with Lili directly for the latest information on savings account withdrawal limits. Here are some key takeaways to remember. Daily ATM withdrawal limit, $1,000. Daily spending limit with debit card, $10,000. No daily limit on ACH transfers out. Fee-free withdrawals at MoneyPass ATMs. $2.50 fee for out-of-network ATM withdrawals in the US. $5 fee for international ATM withdrawals. By understanding these limits and fees, you can avoid any unexpected surprises when you need to access your cash. That's it for today's video. Hopefully, you now feel confident about managing your withdrawals with your Lili account. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.